Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can save and export lessons you created for your students in classes, for example, on Eduaide AI. So let us guide you through it. So guys, let's assume you would like to save your created lesson as a PDF or on Google Drive or as a Word document. You can do it the following way. So head over to Eduaide AI, navigate to your lesson history. Go through that list. You may also navigate through your classes in the top left corner. So let me go with history classes here of modern Europe. And after that, what you want to do, guys, is click into these three dots here to the right. Oh, sorry, you need to click into these three dots and select load to workspace. That's the correct order. And that is going to open up your lesson. So here you may edit it, for example, or export it, as you can see here, by clicking into that button in the top right corner on your device, or as previously mentioned, to save it on Google Drive. So make sure that you're logged in with your Google Drive account so that you may connect it, or save it simply as a Word document or as a shareable link to your clipboard. There you go. And for example, share it with your co-teachers, for example, through direct messaging services, or with your students in WhatsApp groups, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.